Hello and welcome to another ICT session. Today I want us to see how we can get pictures from the internet and save them in our folder. After that, we are going to edit our pictures. After that, we are going to use HTML language to insert these pictures in our web page. Finally, we are going to use jQuery to put effects to this picture so that when somebody points at that picture, an action or an effect is displayed on the web page. These effects are very important because it makes the web page interactive to react to mouse pointer movement, and that makes the whole appearance of the page be attractive and encourage the users to keep on browsing it and get more information as much as possible according to what the page is giving out. This is the folder which I'm going to use to save the picture into, and when I open it, there is no single picture inside, only jQuery file. I will go ahead and start my Google Chrome here. I will just search here picture of fruit. I will choose this option, images. Now can choose maybe apple. Let me just change this search to apple and press enter to get only apples. I'll look for a nice picture of apple. I'll click this one. When you click a picture, you give it some times to load so that it becomes clear. Now when it is clear like this, you will just right click it and choose save image and confirm the file type here. If it shows a web page, then don't save it. If it is a type PNG, JPG, you can go ahead and save it. I will click desktop and choose my folder is picture effects. Open it. I will give it a name, Apple, and save it. It has downloaded, you can see, into the folder. Then I will look for another one. Let me just choose avocado. Then I look for a nice one. Let me go with this one. Then I save this in my folder. Avocado. And click save button. So right now here, when I open my folder, you can see I have 4 fruits and they are of different size. If I point at this one and right click, choose properties, then in the details you can see this is 1000 by 1000. That is very big. This for guava details, it is 1500 by 1188 pixels. You can see they are very big pictures. So I have to resize these pictures all to be of the same size. And I'm going to use MS Paint to do the resizing. I will right click the Apple one and choose Paint here. Then I will just come to resize, then choose pixels, and I will give it vertical means the height. I will give it height of maybe 150. Let me try that. That is fine. You can see down here it is 150 by 150 and it is okay for me. I'm going to save it. I will come to orange, open with paint, click resize pixels, height 150, click OK. This is fine. Now down here it is 150 height. I will click save. Now all these pictures have a height of 150. Now I will display them on a web page using HTML. Just click Notepad. Then I will just put there HTML and close the tag down here. HTML and have here head and below head. I write that, then I come to body. Then we close the body. Then I have title. Just like that. Then within the title I can insert here the heading fruits. Like that. Then I have H1 for the heading and close it on the other end with the slash. Then I can write here examples of fruits, and I can have introductory paragraph here which says there are different types of fruits such as, so that one is introducing my fruits. Now I will use the img to insert my image, and I have 4 images, so I'm going to copy this 4 times and paste it below, just like that. I will go ahead and confirm the type of images. I will just come to this icon for showing more details of the files and click it. Now I can now see all of my images are JPG. Now I will go ahead and write apple.jpg. I have avocado.jpg. I have guava.jpg. And finally I have orange.jpg. I will go ahead and save this file now. And desktop picture effects, give this a name, fruits.html, and I will close the file. Open this page. Now you can see I have a web page here. I will go ahead and open it for you to see how it looks. When I open this page, you can see the page title is shown here. Then I have heading in black, and I also have a paragraph. I will go ahead and make this heading green in color and choose a nice font for it. To put a style on my heading, I will just come here and type style equal sign with 2 quotes, change color to green like this. Then I will choose font. I will just write font family, and give it it may give it Comic Sans MS, Comic Sans MS. Can you take note? I'm using double quotation mark here because there is another single quotation mark which is on the outer part of this code. I will go ahead now and do something extra. I will come to these images and give them title. Just write here title, then equal sign, then in quotation mark I will write this is Apple, space title, and call this avocado. Come to this and call this guava, then title, and call this orange, and save. Then I will go ahead and refresh this page. I will go ahead and modify this code so that when the pictures are pointed, they appear like pale. When you remove the mouse, it becomes sharp again. Line here below the title and add my JavaScript file with source to my JavaScript. The JavaScript file in my folder has the name jQuery. Then I add the extension and close this with script tag. I will come to below the body here and put here script. Then below it, close it here with the word script again. So I will just start my jQuery code. I will just write here the $sign like that, ending with semicolon. Inside that I put a function like that with 2 brackets and a curly bracket. Open it, then I will just come inside there. Then I will just write $sign again. This time put quotation marks and write img. This is to refer to the images, all the images above here. Then I will put here mouse enter. It means when the mouse pointer enters into the picture or goes above the picture, what should happen is this. I am going to define what that action here with the function, and inside here I will just come and write here $sign. Then I use the word this. This means the picture in which we are referring to with this line. Then put here CSS and close it like that. Now when I go inside here, I will put 2 single quotes, comma, 2 single quotes. Inside the first single quotes, I will just put here opacity, which is the opposite of transparency. Opacity of 1 means no transparency at all, it is blocking light. When we say opacity of 0.5, we mean now it can allow a bit of light, but not 100% opacity. Okay, here I will put 0.5. When somebody points to the picture, it reduces opacity to 0.5. I will select this line, copy, and paste below here, below there. Then I will change this mouse enter to be mouse leave. It means when the mouse is leaving the picture, it should return the opacity to 1. So I will adjust this opacity to 1. I will save this work, and you can see this is the old code for the effects. So I'm going to, after saving, I will now refresh this page so that you see what happens. After refreshing, now when I point to the picture, you can see it is like fading away. That is the effect called opacity. So I'm playing with opacity. When it is pointed, the opacity becomes 0.5. It is like the picture is fading away. When I remove the mouse pointer, the picture is fully opaque. Okay, this is what we call adding effects to your pictures so that your web page looks great with attractive effects like this one. All this is because of jQuery. If I point to it, there is a box which appears with the name of the item in the picture. That effect is from HTML, but the fading one is from jQuery. Thank you for participating. See you again in the coming lesson. Bye bye.